Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my student. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Today our math series is narrative text. First, I want to tell you about what is narrative text. The definition of narrative text is a narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people. And the generic structure of narrative text are first, orientation. Orientation is about the opening paragraph where the character of the story are introduced. Second, complication. Complication is where the problems in the story develop. Third, resolution. Resolution is where the problem of the story is solved. And then the reorientation. The reorientation is an optional. Reorientation is the lesson from story. Okay, next. The purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the reader with a story. And the characteristic or the language feature of narrative text are first, past tense. For example, killed, drunk, and age. Second, adverb of time. For example, once upon a time, one day, and age. And the third, time conjunction. For the example, when, then, suddenly, and age. And next, the specific character, like Cinderella, Snow White, Alibaba, and other. Then action verb. An action verb that shows an action. For example, kill, duck, walk, and eat. And the last is direct speech. Direct speech is to make the story lively. Like, for example, Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." Okay. Next, the example of narrative text. Usually we found narrative text in fairy tale like Cinderella. After Cinderella, we can find narrative text in Origin of the Snail House. For the meaning, asal mula rumah siput. And next, Snow White. Paling sering kita temukan Snow White ya. Kalian tahu kan cerita Snow White? Putri Salju. Nanti dia menemukan pangeran. Okay, now I want to ask you about narrative text. Who can answer my question? What is the characteristic of narrative text? Please raise your hand. Okay, you answer my question.
The characteristics are past tense, adverb of time, time conjunction, specific character, action of verb, direct speech. Yeah.
Okay, just it?
Yes.
Okay, good. And can you tell me the definition of narrative text?
Narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people.
Okay, good. I think that's enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Good morning. See you next time.
See you too.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.